Good morning. So we're visiting some cousins of Marissa's, and they have a small farm here. Here's some eggplants. Talong in Tagalog, or aubergine sometimes called in English. And they also have some peanuts or mani somewhere, and we're going to have a quick look at those as well and probably pick some of those.
Would you like to pick one?
I would, yes. I'll pick one. And I'll have the big fat one.
Do you twist it or just pull?
Just pull from there. You're right, Andrew.
Yeah, I'm here.
My arms are not there. Did it? Tea.
We've just got some for Anita. Let's just pick one.
Ooh,
Okay.
nice. Really nice.
Get some chickens as well.
Marissa's picking the field. Are you ready?
Plenty.
Yeah, it's lots. Hello, rooster.
Oh, hello, bird.
Yeah.
A very beautiful area. There's the farms around here. And so we're with Marissa's cousins, and they have a farm here. We just picked some talong, some eggplant, and some nice banana trees. I think we're going to go and try and see where we can see the peanuts.
Yes, very sharp, isn't it?
Beautiful here. Let's dig in some peanuts. Right, what's this? These here, is that kamote?
No, I think it's Talong.
That's talong as well. Oh, okay.
Ito lagi rarama anak tu.
Pupunta na sila rito.
Okay. I was just lying down in the fields, resting in the heat.
Kuya, how many you want?
May minat yun ah.
What? You're Filip? Sayang. Ay, ay, ay.
Ating beri yun.
Ano po?
Ang power.
Di pa, oh?
So we'll take these back and
Ang panagtanong naman
borrow some of the peanuts and maybe even make some kari kari. And use the talong maybe for breakfast. They're very nice. These peanuts. Oh, frog.
Ito malaki ito yung kuya. May lukoy ko nun, ah.
Frog here as well.
Wala na eh. Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Figure mo yan, bago tan.
Peanuts there.
Mom, see it?
Yeah, you stand.
If you do it gently,
Mm-hmm.
they all come. If you do it
Mm.
fast,
Let's get some more.
look,
Yeah.
that's like that. It's
Go on
already
another shoot.
sweet with the bud. Ito to bulak kuya.
Talabas na talaga.
Oh, it's overdue na. I see. No wonder kuya, you see.
Okay, and just got some drone shots, and a few other people have turned up and they're helping us with the mani. Say hello.
Hi, kamo.
Show totes.
Binibidyo ka, oh.
Need so many peanuts.
Mumbai
On.
Okay. Anong dyan? Isa.
Palay rice.
Right. Oh, rice. No, dito. It's a fence.
Corn.
Is that for corn? Oh, maize.
Mais, corn.
Oh. So you got some rice here, some corn here, there's a few cows over at the back, peanuts, talong we saw, lots of bananas. It's excellent. It's such a nice farm. It's beautiful here. Just coming back from the peanut picking, and we are going to stop here and have some choking, because choking is awesome. I love it. We got this. We're just going to the table. I have the halo halo here, which I really like. On ourselves a table and then we'll sit and eat. Okay, so what did we order? Ah,
Style fried chicken.
very nice.
Little baboy.
With some butter.
Halo.
Anyway, we may have some halo halo. The halo halo here is very good. It's very busy here. Okay, so the food's here. Let's see what we've got.
This is your water.
Got chicken rice. There's fried rice with the dumplings. Billy's got the same. Let's see.
The only thing I'm worried about is the crackers. You see the
Okay, so we just finished and here comes halo halo. This is a very typical Filipino dessert. Shaved ice, bits of jelly in it, some tapioca in it, and some ice cream, ube ice cream on top this time. We're going to tuck into this. Because halo halo means mix mix, so we're going to mix it up. So a few minutes mixing later, you have it. I'm going to have it as Marissa's going to be mixing hers up. Now we'll enjoy our halo halo. We just finished in Chowking. We got some takeout for Nathaniel, who stayed at home this morning and wanted to sleep in. And we're just going to get back on the tricycle